Built by Macmillan Homes in 2005, Montara consists of about 85 homes offering sweeping mountain and ocean views along with a swimming pool and playground. Residents also enjoy close proximity to Calaveras Hills Park, Calaveras Hills Elementary School, Middle School, as well as the brand new beautiful Sage Creek High School. Located only minutes from Carlsbad Village and allows easy access to the 78 freeways to connect with I-5 or I-15, making it really easy for commuters. 3513 is an incredibly rare single-level model on a westward ocean and mountain view lot. Now in Montara, there were only 9 single-level homes built, but only 2 of those were on view lots. This is one of those 2. Now with no one behind you and a direct westward orientation, this is the perfect home for those cool ocean breezes and watching the sunset glisten off the Pacific Ocean. This free-flowing single-level home offers an open floor plan, wide hallways, and 2-bedroom suites on opposite sides of the home. From the moment you enter, you will notice beautiful hardwood floors that extend throughout most of the home. Past the formal dining into the kitchen, which offers double ovens, granite countertops, and is wide open to the family room to enjoy the view straight out the back of the home. The master suite offers French doors to easily access the back patio for morning coffee or enjoying the sunset ocean views. Thanks again for taking the time to watch this today. Now we all know that single-level homes are very hard to come by, and this one is especially rare. So please don't hesitate to pass this along to anyone you know that's looking for a truly special and unique home. Thanks again, and have a great day.